This is how you change the map slash personal interior lights on a 2008 Scion XP. It's going to go from looking like this yellow old doll light that doesn't really produce much of nothing to looking like this white LED light. And it's actually fairly cheap and simple to change. Now, the 2008 is a generation 2. So the generation 1s don't have these personal lights, interior lights. The dome lights are the same, just a different way of taking the cover plate off, which we also did in this video. But if you have the generation 2, you want to change these out too. It's the same light bulbs that fit the license plate lights. It's just a wedge 194 LED light, 8 watt. So to start off, you use a little precision screwdriver, and you start right here, and you take that little tab and you just move it out. Then you wedge it over here to this side, and you pull that out, pushing down on this little tab. It's on the closer to the back, and there you go. It pops right off. And simply, I use a glove, but you remove this light by just a little wedge light. All you do is remove it. It just pulls right out, just like that. You don't have to worry about that anymore. You grab your new LED light bulb. I don't know if you can see that. It's wedged in, just like that. There's no polarity to these, so it doesn't matter which way it goes in. You find the slot, and you push it in, just like that. Let's test it out with the little white button. No, it comes on. It's bright. And to put the cover back on, it's 2 little hinges, because it's a push light. There's a little switch right here, a little white switch, and you have this little tab. So you stick the tab in first, and then just snaps back into place. And now you have a very bright light inside your car, and it was that easy. The lights are like $5 off of Amazon. There's no reason you can't do this yourself. Fix your own shit.